Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, kami dari kelompok 1 akan mempresentasikan yaitu bab 6. Perkenalkan, kelompok kami, saya Ilham Kurnia dan Pipian Gladys, Lilis Farida dan Agil.
Baik, di sini saya akan mempresentasikan bab 6 yaitu tentang Science and Work. Saya di sini akan membahas tentang reading, air pollution atau membahas tentang penyebab dan dampak polusi udara. Yang pertama, what are the cause and effects of air pollution? Discuss with a partner and makes to list. Itu ditanyakannya penyebab dan dampak polusi udara. Penyebabnya yaitu yang pertama factory emission, terus PHLS, power station, mining contrus navities, dan burning fossil fuels. Efeknya yaitu respiratory problem, global warming, dan environmental damage. Terus yang kedua yaitu scan the report and answer the question. Yang pertama itu what is the main cause of air pollution? Answer: human activities and forestry and vehicle and industrial emission. 2. What are the natural sources of pollution? Answer: vocal noise and forest tires. 3. Which are the most pollution cities in the world? Answer: major cities with industry and traffic. Yang keempat yaitu where was the first study done? First student atau based on the text claims atau Mexico City. Yang kelima yaitu what health problem did the field study look at? Answer: respiratory disorders such as asthma. Yang keenam, where was the second study done? Answer: Excellent, India. 7. What health problem did the second study look at? Yaitu jawabannya heart disease. Next, 3. Second, the report again with the numbers in the books refer to. 20. Number of cities with the haze pollution. 3. Air pollution level di 6 cities air the Thames Head. 2. Numbers of studies showed 25.000. Numbers of reports the study 250. Pollution the session. Second, answer the shed con study 2,5 shed as pollution the fertilization. 4. Read the log notice comes the tonic health and under session in paragraph 1 of the report. Answer: yang pertama itu adalah pollution. Breaking the fence indirect sets this of lung cancer, indiscrimination, or efforts initiated and touched daily. 5. Make notice from the underlying information in paragraph 2, yaitu key information paragraph 2. Hey, studylation atau urbaners, method atau long data research. 3. Research atau strong link between pollution and diseases. Probe and answer. Where measures at what was studied, answer the impact of pollution on health. Urban resident. How many? Answer, thousands of 45. Next, where do they live? Near Highland Industry Areas. What? Where the pollution? Answer, pollution in serious disease. 6. Read paragraph 3 carefully and hit the key information. Taking study tips yaitu use bullet point and broad, avoid full sentence, color coding, exclamation atau pastry, CO2 emission, terus Pocalones atau sulfur. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan soal nomor 8 mengenai air pollution. Air pollution is a major problem all over the world today. Probably the single biggest contributor to the problem is the motor vehicle. However, there are many other man-made sources, such as industrial factories, power stations, mining, building, and the burning of fossil fuels and wood in homes around the world. There are natural sources of air pollution too. Volcanoes and forest fires produce a lot of pollution. However, it is the increasing number and use of motor vehicles that is doing the most damage. And logically, where there are more cars, there is more pollution. That is, in the major cities of the world. Some of the most polluted cities include Beijing, Mexico City, Athens, Moscow, and Mumbai. Health problem. This problem of increased pollution in the major cities of the world has led to an increase in the number of studies done to look at the effect on our health. The results so far are not very reassuring. In fact, air pollution may be a much greater danger to our health than scientists believed before. A 20-year study of residents of a Cairo suburb showed that the tiny particle in pollution could lead to 3 times as many long-term health problems as was previously thought. A connection between the number of particles in the air and health is suggested by Dr. Razia of Cairo University. He and his colleagues collected data on 25,000 residents of Cairo over 2 decades. They found that as the number of tiny particles, those less than 2,5 micron in diameter, increased, so did the risk of dying from health problems such as heart attacks and lung cancer. Traffic and asthma. Other studies show a similar link between traffic pollution and ill health. A second group of research in Ottawa, Canada reported that children living near busy roads were more likely to develop asthma. The study possibility of that self-developing asthma and other similar diseases. The results suggest a strong connection between how close a child lives to traffic and the possibility of that child developing asthma and other similar diseases. It is clear from the studies and others that the time has come to start reducing the level of air pollution in our cities for the sake of our children and future generation. Sebelum kita menjawab nomor 8, di sini ada interpreting meaning. Most academic and scientific article express fact atau what happened and speculate atau goose. It is important to be able to distinguish uncertainty and speculation from fact. Uncertainty and speculation can be expressed using may, could, might before the main verb. Easy air pollution may be a much greater danger to our health. Polluted air could lead to 3 times as many problems. Verbs such as believe, claim, think, hope, seem, easy. Dr. Razia believe there is a connection between the number of particles in the air and health. Word and parses, e.g. possibility, probably, it is possible. Pertanyaannya, read the report again. Add the statement expressed as fact or speculation in the text. Number 1, growing car use is causing the most damage. This is fact because the text say it is the increasing number and use of motor vehicles. The text says it is the increasing number and use of motor vehicle that is doing the most damage, which is stated as a fact. Number 2, more pollution in big cities has resulted in more studies being done. This is fact because the text states this directly has led to an increase in the number of studies done, so it's a fact. Number 3, polluted air is more dangerous than people thought. This is speculation because it says air pollution may be a much greater danger, showing speculation. Number 4, small particles in dirty air cause 3 times as many health problems. This is fact because the research found that small particles could lead to 3 times as many long-term health problems, which is based on 20-year study, so it's presented as fact. Number 5, the result of the Canadian studies prove there is a link between a child living close to traffic and getting asthma. This is speculation because the text say the results suggest a strong connection, not proof, so it's speculation. Number 6, all the studies show that it's important to reduce air pollution for the next generation. This is fact because the conclusion states it is clear from test studies, making it a fact.
Vocabulary developer. 1. Word that together. A source of pollution. Artinya sumber polusi. The problem with an increase in a collection between. A link between. A level of. Short of. A disk of. 2. Complete the sentences with the correct profession. A. Inverse pollution may lead to more illness. B. Forest fires can contribute to an increase in air pollution. Some children wear face masks to protect themselves from pollution. The number of much students has the correction basic frequency. Scientists are looking for ways to encourage more people to study science. 3. Number from the text. What do you see number represents? 2500 likely refer to equality. 2.5 would indicate a measurement. 49% a vertex. 1 in 10 a ratio. e.g. 1 out of 10 people suffer from asthma. 4. Match number to face. 1. B. The average human body temperature is 37 degrees. I. The coldest record temperature on Earth is 89 degrees. 3. E. The population of China is 136,000. 2006. 4. A month's average height is 8,850 meters. 5 and 70%. 6. See the average human head has 110,000. 7. The mathematical value of V is human head. 7. The mathematical value of P 314,159,265. 8. The distance to the moon is 3,082.500 kilometers. 9. There are 174,940,000. 10. If a gigabit equals 1 billion bits. Review. 1. Read the sheer text. Highlight fast in blue and speculation in pink. All choose. Speculation. Scientists believe the first shoes were worn about 30,000 years ago. Fact. When shoes are worn, the two bones get weaker. There is evidence that humans 20,000 years ago had two which were weaker than those of their ancestors. This, the scientists claim, is because they start wearing shoes. Break Vegas speculation. So, if you enjoy eating lots of orange, you could all be helping your body to fight disease. Fact. Big colored fruit and vegetables like carrot and orange could protect against diseases such as arthritis. These vegetables and fruit contain vitamin C and other elements which work against the disease. The alleged origins of tuberculosis. Vocabulation: scientists hope to as this new information in their fight against scientists used to believe tuberculosis was just tens of thousands of years old, but studies of ancient skeletons suggest the disease existed in Earth Africa 3 million years ago. As this disease killed 3 million people a year. Artinya, fakta ditandai biru adalah informasi yang terbukti dan berdasarkan penelitian. Spekulasi ditandai pink adalah dugaan atau harapan belum pasti. 2. Use a dictionary to fit prepositions that go with the verb and noun. Apply for artinya melamar untuk, concentrate on fokus pada, consist on terdiri dari, depend on bergantung pada, search for mencari, suffer from menderita karena. 3. Correct the mistakes in the sentence. Today is his 14th birthday. More than 6 million people watched the final. There was an increase from 5.06. They received a pay raise of 4%. Today temperature is 7 degrees below zero. 40th adalah bentuk ordinal ke-40. Below zero adalah cara yang benar untuk menyatakan suhu negatif. Pay rise of 4% artinya kenaikan gaji sebesar 4%.
Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Mohon maaf bila ada salah kata atau ucapan. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.